So what have we got going on here, Rob?
We've got a 3D printed J3 Cub.
Wow, okay.
It's about to do its maiden.
Maiden, another maiden.
Another maiden, yes. Obviously it's a female. I'm not sure how you work that one out. It is.
Well, cars, planes and boats are always
Is
females.
that what it is?
Yeah, wheels are a bit small. Might have to do a hand launch. Huh?
No, I don't think so. It's
Just a scratch, it'll buff out.
yeah, not position.
Bit of torque roll in there.
Yeah. And then, oh, I see what's happening. So
Once more into the valley, dear friends.
all right, take it back a tad. Whoa!